what would be the one target audience that you would prioritize as the first?
Where we see the biggest intake, and just from monitoring our calls from the last kind of 11 months, we've received 500,000 phone calls to our helplines. Over 100,000 of those were suicide-related helpline calls. And our target audience are between the ages of 18 and 30, so our young adults, and that young generation. The top 5 issues that people reach out to us are anxiety, financial problems, depression, substance abuse, and suicide. So yes, I would have to say students would be, if I have to rank at the top there. But it'd be interesting to hear from others where they would rank it. And I think whoever you're speaking to might change that around.
A great point of leverage on some of these social problems are through women and children first. So giving any initiative that targets women and children tends to have a multiplier effect throughout the entire family unit and sort of beyond that.
Was if students with underlying conditions or perhaps even just students in general are the #1 target, then wouldn't parents be a close #2? And I think you see that maybe in addictions as well, like that connection is there. And siblings of those students, I think, are also impacted.
Parents resonates with us because it's the family circle of care that incorporates the students, the children, but they also cover the corporate sector, whether they are a retail customer or employers.